Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm here again. I'm Ayinamba Odlama, learning digital marketing with Imo Kahoot 4. So today we're talking about how to develop audience persona, also known as customer or buyer persona. So first we have to understand what audience persona is all about. What is audience persona? An audience persona is a detailed profile of your ideal customer. It helps you create ads, content, and products that actually speaks to the right people. Personas help business to internalize the ideal customer they are trying to attract and the ideal customer and how to relate to customers as real humans. In other words, audience persona helps you to know your customers, how to interact with them, how to know everything, all the know that you have to, everything that you have to know, every single detail you have to know about your customer. Now, we're going to pick it step by step on how to develop our audience persona. Number one step, start with real data, not guesses. That is our number one step. What do I mean by this? That is picking, I mean by collecting data and research. By starting, by gathering informations about your existing customers and the target market. That is where you intend to sell your products. That is your target market. So we have a number two step. What is our number two step in developing our audience persona? So our number two, we try to identify patterns and group data. What do we mean by identifying patterns and grouping data? Here we're talking about looking for people with similar, should I say, similar problems that have the shared traits, like the same problems, people with similar goals, challenges, or behaviors that can be grouped into a persona. Then, number three step of the persona, audience, developing audience persona. So number three is to add psychographics, not just demographics. What do we mean by adding psychographics, not just demo? So here we need to know the full details of our audience, their interests, their values, what makes them tick, and what keeps them late at night. We move to step 4 of developing our audience persona. What is our step 4? Our step 4 is to build the persona profile. And here, what do we mean by building the persona profile? How do we build our personal profile? We do this by giving it a name and then a backstory and a relatable set of circumstances. That is what we're talking about in our step 4. So our step 5 is to validate the persona. That is getting feedback from our customers to ensure accuracy. We have our step 6, which is to apply and continuously refine. That is continuous track and measuring our results, which allows us to refine our strategies and to adjust the crafted personas as needed to stay attuned to our audiences evolving and their evolving needs and preferences. So do not forget, let's understand that an audience persona is not just a list of statistics. It is a living human-like profile that guides every marketing and communication decision you make. Thank you for watching, guys. See you some other time. Bye.